Hey everyone, this today is about fakie slides on roller skates. And as a disclaimer, I am a beginner at fakie slides on roller skates, but I am getting a little more consistent with practice, and I'm not crashing as much. So I feel like I've learned a little bit just from experience of crashing a lot in the first few steps. And now I'm feeling like I can kind of show what I figured out so far. First things first, being able to skate backwards or fakie on flat ground is super important. Like not just barely, but really being able to maneuver and change direction and skate around obstacles and things. Also being able to skate really comfortably, pump forward and fakie on a ramp, and being able to stall, a fakie stall, really solid on the coping and feel really comfortable to where it's not frightening anymore, right? All right, then after that, we're gonna move into starting to slide, which is the Spider-Man phase, okay? So when I skate on a ramp, I have my left foot in front, my right foot behind. That's my preferred way. So when I go fakie backwards and I slide, my lead foot is right, my open shoulder, looking over the back shoulder, is my right shoulder, and I'm moving to the right. So I'm gonna start from this side, so I pump, stall front side, pump, and then fakie slide slightly over to the right. So if you lead the other way, you're gonna wanna switch away which way you set it up on the ramp. So first things first, I'm gonna go fakie, stall fakie, push right foot out. That's it. Looking over my back shoulder, right forward, stall, push. Looking over my back shoulder, stall, push right foot out. Look where I wanna go, stall, push, Spider-Man. All right. Look where I want to go, stall, push, Spider-Man. Next, I'm going to try to push one foot and then the other foot. Barely, I'm barely moving. One foot and then the other foot. I'm trying to push the feet apart so the feet are farther apart from one another, a wider stability, more space between the feet. Look where I want to go, push. I'm trying to keep my knees bent, and I'm trying to lead with my butt, and I'm trying to lean forward so that my chest stays forward over the transition, and I go back in.
Going further and further each time.
Every time. Look where you want to go. Keep the torso forward, push. One more.
Nice.
All right, so these are not super big yet, maybe someday, but I've been working on it and I feel more balanced. Like I don't feel like I'm just gonna, crash and burn, which is kind of how I felt at first. So hopefully those are some tips y'all can use for working on this. Again, just doing it bit by bit. For me, it's usually the easiest way to learn anything, gradually. And also, wax on a coping can make it really slippery, as you probably already know. So at first, if you don't feel comfortable with that much slipperiness, maybe try sanding down the coping. That's something I've been doing so that the coping slides, because lots of times there's like rust and grit and gunk. So maybe try sanding that coping down so it will slide but not too slippery. Just something to try. Let us know if you have other tips for learning this trick. We'd love to hear them. And also what you'd like to see, or if you have requests or suggestions, and please like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.
Bye.